And the deadly COVID-19 pandemic is setting records by the day. Coronavirus infections across the world passed the 2 million mark as of this morning, with the death toll rising fast, now almost at 120,000. And that U.S. accounts for about 30% of the entire reported cases worldwide. Some European countries are still being hit hard, but others might be finally coming out of the other side after a few tough months. Our Hyeong-woo reports.
The U.S. Navy reported on Monday the first death of a sailor assigned to the coronavirus-hit aircraft carrier Theodore Roosevelt. Almost 600 sailors on the nuclear-powered carrier have tested positive for COVID-19, with 92% of the 4,800 crew members tested so far. According to the Associated Press, more than 3,600 deaths in the U.S. have been linked to outbreaks in nursing homes and long-term care facilities. It reported that the latest count is up from about 450 deaths just 10 days ago. In Europe, some countries are still suffering the worst of COVID-19, while others are preparing to cautiously return to everyday life. Italy's coronavirus death toll has surpassed the 20,000 mark, becoming only the second country in the world after the U.S. to report the unwelcome milestone. Russian President Vladimir Putin has warned that Russia must prepare for the worst-case scenario after the country saw a record 2,500 new coronavirus cases in just one day. The UK and France are both extending their lockdown measures and their respective social distancing campaigns, with the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths still on the rise.
And I'm very sorry to say that 11,329 people have now died from coronavirus, every one of them a tragedy. And so please, continue to follow the advice, now more than ever, to stay home, save lives, and protect our NHS.
However, Spain, one of the worst affected countries in the region, has lifted some restrictions on economic activity as the number of new COVID-19 cases and deaths appears to be on the downtrend. Germany is also considering gradually easing its own lockdown measures. Hyeong-woo, Arirang News.